Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Alina, a dentist, medical blog writer, an interpreter, a mother of 2 naughty kids. Here, we bridge the gap between clinical knowledge and real-world application. Let's dive straight into medical interpretation types. If you have not watched my first video on what medical interpretation is, check the description for the link. This is a continuation of the first video. Medical interpretation has 2 types. Consecutive. Sight. What is consecutive interpretation? In consecutive interpretation, the doctor speaks first, then pauses. During the pause, the interpreter translates what the doctor said into the patient's language. Next, the patient responds in their own language. And again, the interpreter translates the response back into English for the doctor. So the conversation moves step by step, with each speaker taking turns. It's a back-and-forth process that ensures both the doctor and patient clearly understand each other. What is sight interpretation? Sight interpretation is different. Here, the interpreter reads a written document and translates it orally in real time. You are reading and speaking at the same time. Example: discharge papers, consent forms, prescription instructions, lab reports. The interpreter looks at the written document in English and explains it verbally in the patient's language. Here's the simple difference. Consecutive interpretation equals spoken, pause, translate. Sight interpretation equals written documents, read, speak in another language. Thank you.